Here we are outside, finally stopped raining at Island Miniature Schnauzers. And our puppies are out enjoying a little bit of runabout. This is the first day these little puppies have gone outside. They learned how to tumble, fall, maneuver the stairs. These are brightly colored CKC registered miniature schnauzers. They're from Island Miniature Schnauzers, and some of them are available within 2 weeks' time, which is just before Christmas. The other puppies are available in the new year. We have males and females. We have toys and miniature schnauzer puppies. If you're interested in finding out more about these cute little puppies, visit our website at Island Miniature Schnauzers or contact us at 778-425-2527. Thank you. You'll notice that we have the mothers with the puppies. That's because there is a danger of hawks and eagles. So puppies never go out in their playpen without their parents. You hear a little bit of whimpering. They're trying to maneuver over steps. There's one that just jumped down the step. There's a little toy right there. Isn't that something? Look at that little one. I put that one, actually there's two of them. They're brother and sister. I put them in miniature schnauzer clips. Lots of people like the puppies in puppy fluff, so we sort of do half and half. So once again, you can give us a call at 778-425-2527. Thank you.